You down the edge of the bar and you were look at me with such a nice, and if it was a dream, you pass me by and say hello. You smile like little girl, and this is a crime. When you touch my hand and I feel the sky, and I'm wondering if this is a crime. When you pass behind, you touch my hips and see me thighs, my thighs. And then I pass behind, and it's a game they told me not to play. And then you kill my doubts and say, girl, smile. And then you take my hand strong and get me and bring me and broke me. Oh, that's a sweet suicide. Oh, I'm wondering if this is a crime. When I see me smile, yeah. Oh, this is a crime. When I pass you by with a little smile. I'm sorry, but I'm dealing. Then my eyes to say my love, and my back to say hello. Then you take all of my clothes. I was ready to lie in bed, and you take my legs and you get inside, and I hope that life couldn't be so good. Oh my God, is this a new suicide? And I wanted to know. Oh, it's my stronger guy. Yeah, this is a crime. And I start to cry.